What's up guys, this is Grow That Money, and today we're going to talk about 5 ways you can start earning passive income. I know how you feel, working that 9 to 5 to earn a living wage with no time for other activities like going to watch a movie or taking a long vacation in another country. That sucks. A lot of people have the misconception that passive income just appears from nowhere without any job or a plan to get there. You need to put in the work first, so that you then can use what you earn from that work to put into investments that will make the money work for you. If you have the right investments, then you can choose to live a life however you want to. I wish I knew about these passive income sources a long time ago. In school, they don't talk about these things. When I graduated, I knew nothing about these things, so I had to go the hard way and find some answers myself. So I will tell them to you right now. The first one is dividend payments. So when you have saved up some money, or are saving up money currently, then you can put your money into dividend stocks that will over time pay you, maybe each month or every quarter of a year or every year, when it's going good for the company, a small amount for every stock you own, and that happens recurringly. So when you build up a lot of money in the companies that give you dividend, then you earn passive income. But that means that you first have to build wealth from working so that you can put them into dividend stocks. And then, when it's going good for the companies, they will pay you dividend payments. The second one is high interest savings accounts. This follows the same principle. You put in money that you get from working into a high interest savings account, and then they will pay you a percentage for the money that you put in, and that will grow if you don't touch it, or if you have such a big amount in your account that you can take out the money on a regular basis without it even impacting the full amount of the money. The third one is real estate. And to be able to purchase real estate, you have to have saved up some money for the down payment. And then when you have it, then you can rent it out and receive more money from renting it out than it costs to have it on the mortgage and other possible payments. So then you will get a money increase every month. The fourth one is affiliate marketing. Okay, let's say you have a YouTube channel. Then you can have links in your bio that takes anyone interested in buying that product to a company's page. And when that person goes into that page and buys something, then the company will pay you for driving that customer to their shop. So if you have a lot of followers, then that can give you a lot of money. The last one is YouTube ad revenue. If you have a YouTube channel with over 4,000 overall watch hours and at least 1,000 subscribers in the last 12 months, then you can receive money for every 1,000 views you get. How much money you get depends on what kind of videos you make. Financial videos often makes more money, but if you have a large audience, then it doesn't matter so much. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you in the next one.